People frequently respond that the heart is the most vital organ in the body when asked. It's true that the heart, a muscular organ, is essential to human survival. We perish if it stopped. Nonetheless, the liver, a gland, is just as significant since it is involved in hundreds of regulations that the human body must follow in order to function. In this video, you will learn more about the liver and the foods you should often eat to make your liver healthier. Number 1. Beets. Beetroot is well known for its amazing health benefits, particularly in lowering the body's oxidative damage. However, in 2018 study conducted on animals, researchers discovered that the beetle leaves and stalks are especially beneficial for liver protection. Beet greens are widely available in their raw forms, so feel free to add them to salads or even puree them for homemade soups. Number 2. Berries. Antioxidants found in berries can shield and repair the liver. Blueberries are particularly advantageous in this context. In 2017, a study was published in Food Chemistry that examined the phytochemical profiles of 14 distinct kinds of blueberries. They discovered that all of the varieties are good for liver health and have enough strength to prevent liver cancer, albeit some are more potent than others. Number 3. Cruciferous vegetables. Because cruciferous veggies are high in enzymes that help the body cleanse, they have numerous health benefits. These enzymes can lower the risk of cancer and liver disease and are vital to the health of the liver. According to an animal study that was published in the Journal of Food Science in 2011, Brussels sprouts are the best vegetable for detoxifying. Although they are at their best when eaten fresh, the researchers noted that even when cooked, they had significant health advantages. Number 4. Fatty fish. Fatty fish has amazing liver protective properties, according to a study conducted by University of Sydney experts at Westmead Hospital. It is regarded by researchers as one of the greatest foods to consume while treating liver conditions such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and hepatitis. Sardines, salmon, and mackerel are some of your greatest selections. Number 5. Garlic. A 2016 study by Advanced Biomedical Research examined the effects of supplementing with garlic on individuals suffering from non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. They discovered that 400 mg of garlic powder lowers body weight and fat mass, which lessens the strain on the liver. While the study's focus was on supplementing with garlic powder, there's reason to think that eating both cooked and fresh garlic will have similar protective effects. Before we move on to the next fact, if you have enjoyed our video thus far, subscribe now and hit the notification bell to get updates about health and wellness. Number 6. Grapefruit. The most well-known benefit of grapefruit is its capacity to strengthen immunity. However, a study that was published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology claims that it is also abundant in antioxidants, which have amazing health-promoting properties. Specifically, eating grapefruit lowers the risk of liver damage via reducing inflammation in the liver. Number 7. Grapes. Antioxidants, which can help prevent chronic diseases and a variety of malignancies, are abundant in grapes. This has prompted scientists to investigate how it affects the liver. Researchers identified the enormous potential in employing grape juice concentrate to prevent liver deterioration in an animal study published in Drug Research in 2016. However, you don't have to use grape juice concentrate as a self-medication. You can give your body ordinary grape juice or just eat the fruit to reap its defensive benefits. Number 8. Nuts. Nuts are well known for their heart protective qualities since they are high in antioxidants and healthy fats. However, nut consumption and liver health have also been connected recently. A 2014 study in the Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology demonstrated that a higher nut intake is associated with a lower risk of heart disease. It has been noted that seeds offer the same liver protective benefits. Number 9. Oatmeal. A high-fiber food that is particularly abundant in a substance known as beta-glucans is oatmeal. Because of its unique blend of nutrients, it's a great choice for optimal liver function as well as heart and stomach health. In 2017, the International Journal of Molecular Sciences published a study claiming that beta-glucans had anti-inflammatory and anti-obesity properties. Consuming oatmeal aids in the body's natural healing of the liver by lowering fat and inflammation. Number 10. Prickly pear. Natural medicine has historically utilized prickly pear, an edible cactus, to treat a range of ailments, including liver disease. It was listed as one of the best natural remedies for liver damage repair and protection in a 2014 World Journal of Gastroenterology study. There's reason to suppose that eating the fruit and drinking its juice can also help repair the liver, even though extracts were utilized in the experiments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments down below, do you eat these 10 foods? You might also want to check out the other videos in our YouTube channel. Just click or tap the videos below here. Thank you for watching.